Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable ultra quiet mode on Lenovo V15. First you have to enter BIOS, and to do that power your device off completely and then shortly press the power button to turn your device on and start immediately pressing F2 button until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. To navigate in this menu, use left and right arrow keys to change the tab, and to change the selected value or selected option, use down and up arrow key. This way you have to navigate to configuration tab and then scroll down to ultra quiet mode, press enter and select enabled to enable it or disabled to disable it. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and then enter. To exit without saving changes, press escape and enter, and to restore default settings, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.